In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your TikTok username and display name. So once you've loaded up the TikTok app, tap on your profile button there at the bottom right hand corner. That will take you to your profile. Then you want to tap the big edit profile button underneath all your analytics in that. So there it says name, which is your display name, and then your username. If I tap on display name, I have the option to change that, so I can just add like a number at the end. That's going to make the changes. Then you just need to tap on the save button at the top right hand corner. So that would be how you change your display name. That will update immediately. So I'm just going to leave it like that and tap on save. And then you need to tap on username, and then that will give you the option to change your username. So to do that, if the username is available, it's going to show you a green tick mark. But if the username is not available, it's going to look, if I just get rid of that and I put in the random thing of dude, you can see it says this username isn't available, try suggested username and things like that. So you need to make sure that the username is available. I'm just going to put in my current username, just like that, and the tick mark is there. And then you just need to tap on the save button at the top right hand corner. And now it says you can change your username once every 30 days. So you need to keep that in mind. If you change your username, you won't be able to change it for another 30 days. So I'm just going to set my username, and that's how you change your display name and username. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.